Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by safeguarding your phone, backup photos, apps, and settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick a launcher that supports icon packs and gestures. This controls layout and motion. Next, select a cohesive color palette and a wallpaper that preserves legibility. Contrast matters. Make small tweaks first, hide apps, set a grid, and apply an icon pack. If you plan advanced theming, enable developer options only when necessary to avoid accidental changes. Now you refine function and form. Add clean widgets, weather and calendar for glanceable info, plus a compact quick actions widget to reduce clutter. Then, install and apply an icon pack or set adaptive icons so all icons share shape and scale. This creates visual unity. Adjust font weight and accent color across apps where possible to keep consistency, and enable gesture navigation to maximize screen space. Make sure to test tap targets. Spacing affects both usability and the finish by polishing transitions, timers, and lock screen wallpaper so the experience feels intentional. Once done, save a full backup of your launcher layout and note any custom APKs or settings so you can restore the look quickly. Make sure to walk through common flows, notifications, calls, media, so nothing breaks the aesthetic. If something misbehaves, clear the app cache, restart, and if needed, restore defaults or reinstall the offending app. That usually resolves icon or widget mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.